welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for a delicious roasted whole chicken. I figured since it's the holidays coming up and stuff, I will do a nice delicious whole chicken that you all can enjoy with your families. So here I have my chicken that I have washed in lemon juice and vinegar, and the seasonings I'll be using are some paprika, garlic salt, some Jamaican spice rub. I have here some chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, some seasoned salt. I have here some garlic pepper, some sweet chili sauce, and some green seasoning. Let's get started. So what I'm doing here is combining all of the seasonings into one bowl. Then I will mix well, and I'll be using this to marinate or season the chicken. Next, we will gently massage the seasoning rub onto the chicken, making sure it's, covered with a generous amount. Then we will go ahead and put some of this seasoning down inside of the cavity of the chicken and make sure it is well seasoned. We will also lift the skin and put some of the seasonings underneath there, trying to put it up into the breast part, the leg part, and stuff like that. Just making sure this chicken is well seasoned. Then we will place the chicken into our refrigerator overnight. So I just took the chicken out of my refrigerator, and if you've been following me, you know the number one rule when you're frying chicken or baking chicken is to allow it to come up to room temperature. Never fry or bake your chicken cold. So we will allow this to come up to room temperature before we move on to the next step. So now I'll go ahead and prep my chicken for the oven. And I will be using this cast iron skillet, and what I'll do here is butter my skillet before I sit my chicken in here, just to avoid any sticking or anything. Then I will place my chicken in the skillet, and I will be using some herbs, some garlic, red onions, a jalapeno pepper, and I will be using those for the cavity of the chicken, just to release some extra, flavors and stuff like that. And then what we will do is place 2 pieces of butter up inside of the chicken skin, the breast area, because usually that part is dry, so we want to maintain the moisture. So we will put 2 pieces of butter under the skin of the breast. Then we will cover this and place this in an oven of 375 for about 1 hour. Then I will show you guys the next step. So while the chicken is in the oven, we will go ahead and make a sauce to baste the chicken when the hour is up. So here I have some Texas Pete hot sauce. I will be using some sweet chili sauce. I will also be adding a little bit of paprika for color. I will mix all of these well, and I will set it aside. So after about 1 hour, this is how the chicken is looking. The skin tore, but that's because we didn't tie the legs up. But that's okay, we will rectify that. Now we'll go ahead and brush some of that sauce that we made on top of the chicken. This will give the chicken a nice juicy exterior and a beautiful color. So now we'll place the chicken back into the oven uncovered. This time we will bump the heat up to 400 degrees and we will keep basting this every 10 minutes. This cooks in there for about 40 minutes total. So after about 10 minutes, we are now basting the chicken for a second time, and we will repeat this process once more, basting the chicken for a third time. Then we will allow the chicken to just cook in there and become golden brown. And after basting the chicken 3 times and cooking it for 1 hour 40 minutes, the chicken is now complete. Okay guys, so this is my delicious recipe for a whole roasted chicken. Look how my chicken is juicy, it is super tender, and it is perfect for the holidays. I do hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!